Alrighty, so let's start with the power supply. Now, you may have got this. You may have got all of these parts, specifically to sort of go along with this tutorial, and that's great. I'm glad that you did that. You'll notice here that this particular power supply, we've got the 24 pin ATX or EATX plug here for our motherboard. So we go back to the motherboard. Here is our 24 pin plug here. But there is also something called a CPU power connector, and that's up here, and that's 4 pin. And then you're looking at the power supply and saying to yourself, well, the only other plug here that would work really is this 8 pin power supply. And that's